to Whistler and we saw one of our pit stops, which is Shannon Falls.
Shanabaga.
And look behind me. Whoa. To all the Shannons out there, here's your waterfall. So we're at the viewpoint right now, and because it's snowing and foggy, this is what we see. We're still on our way to Whistler. We have I think we're gonna be there in like 10-15 minutes, and it's just started snowing, and it's winter wonderland again. I love how they have a directory with, if you want to go to the trash, it's that way. And this one's going to the training. Train wreck that happened August 11 of 1956. 12 trains derailed. 5 of them were unsalvageable, and then 7 of them they were able to go inside and grab the stuff, and then they kind of just went along their way back into the town. And then because of the tragic thing that happened, they decided to make a new life for it and put graffiti art, and they used it a lot in media. Line up because everyone's getting out of Whistler and we're just coming in, and it's gonna be dead because it's the weekday tomorrow. So what we're trying to do right now is we're trying to get cheaper parking because it's illegal to park on the streets in Whistler because of the snow plowing that they have to do. The parking at the hostel would have been $24 a night, but right now we're gonna park at the library or the convention center, and that's supposed to be $10 overnight. Right now it is 3:46, and to get the $5 max from 5 p.m. to 10 a.m. we have to wait about an hour and 15 minutes. So we're just gonna pay for the $1 parking and then chill here for 15 minutes, and then we'll get a $5 parking, and that's how we save another $9. How beautiful this is. It's like a little village. Woo. Should be here somewhere. Oh, here. So we just got our key. We're heading to our pod E39, 838, I can't read. The bottom bunk. This is our room, and we got a balcony here. Oh. And there's a bathroom upstairs too. I got like 9 different postcards in here. What did you say about the village?
It was the architects designed it to confuse people, to let them explore a bit.
Yeah. We don't remember where we parked. Going into nothing right now. So look at my collection of postcards. So I got these 6. It was $1.03 for each one of these ones. And then I got these ones in Squamish. They're like $1 for one. So we went to the Shannon Falls that you guys saw earlier. And these are my favorite. They're $1 each, and they're like artwork. Look how beautiful that is. Of Whistler. It has like the layers and the ski lifts and the town and the cars, and that's in front of Whistler that we passed by. I don't know if I saw it. He showed it earlier. There's bears and deers and birds. Birds aren't real. That's so cool. Yeah, watch out.
Hang low, we hear the valley calling us and on the side to go. Oh, rivers rolling, dreaming, the pathways down the lane, past ancient forest guardians, campfire and reed, the white barrel rise and they say, heaven's rolling back. We hear valley calling us and see the shining light. From the stars that shine above us to the branches of the trees, our souls are all connected by the very air we breathe. The forest all around us flows each one of us.
We're back at Whistler Village, and we're a bit confused of where to go. So right now we're at the Raven Room, and they have this special where it's 3 courses for $33. And look how nice it is here. That course is nice. Look at this cute boy. They got the first course. He got the potato pops. And I got the
we're splitting it.
chicken thigh. There's a pool behind us as well, and the hot tub is over there. So we got the Alaska, so there's the coconut curry, and he's got a nice massive burger. We saved that.
Vegan and burger.
And we saved the sauce because it was so good. I got a passion fruit tart, and he got an ice cream sandwich. So yeah, there's a sink there in case they're all used up. A dressing room right here, and another sink there. Shower, bath, toilet, and shower, which I am going to be using right now. So I like how they have the divider, so, and they even got nice music. I like the divider so nothing gets wet, because I remember the old hostels, everything would get wet. Hi, welcome to our capsule hotel. So right here we got the storage items. Our plugs are up here, and if we want some noise, we got the fan to turn on right here. And then we have the light. And so we sent them a text saying that we want another blanket and a hair dryer. They came in like 2-3 minutes, pretty quick. And then we have a mirror here, and we got hangers up there, hangers here, fire detector, safety, and we have a little garbage right here, and you can actually open that from the outside, but it's back to push. We have our pantry here, our backpacks and bags and water, going to stay hydrated, and we got our neighbors there. This guy is trying to work out right now. You know what I want to see here? Go work out. Go work out. This guy's actually working out. Here. Wow. I can't really go down that much. Yeah, it's too soft.
Oh. Okay, let's try it.
Alright everyone, good night, and I'm again live. Oh, and P.S. I forgot to mention, we have a lockbox here for our important stuff.